Artificial intelligence isn't just a trend. It's transforming our world faster than we can imagine. But behind this tech revolution are innovative AI startups, bold, fearless, and determined to solve the world's biggest challenges. Today, we're exploring the AI startups that are set to change the world. Welcome to our channel. Eye2Future. AI startups are rewriting the rules of innovation. Unlike tech giants, these smaller teams are agile, creative, and laser-focused on solving specific problems. From transforming healthcare to reinventing energy solutions, AI startups are leading breakthroughs that could reshape the way we live, work, and communicate. Here are 5 revolutionary AI startups making waves, and they're just getting started. OpenAI, revolutionizing communication and creativity. First up, OpenAI. Known for its groundbreaking creation, ChatGPT, OpenAI is redefining communication and content creation. But OpenAI is doing much more, from image generation with DALL-E to developing advanced reasoning models. Their mission? To ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. 2. DeepMind. Solving the protein puzzle. Next is DeepMind, an AI research company that's making headlines in science and medicine. Their revolutionary model, AlphaFold, solved one of biology's greatest mysteries: predicting protein structures. This game-changing breakthrough is accelerating drug discovery, fighting diseases, and even unlocking new cures for conditions like Alzheimer's and cancer. 3. Anthropic, building safer AI. When it comes to responsible AI development, Anthropic is leading the way. Their chatbot, Claude, is designed with safety-first principles, ensuring AI remains aligned with human values. Anthropic's goal? To build powerful AI systems that are trustworthy and secure. 4. Climate AI, fighting climate change with data in. The fight against climate change. Climate AI is empowering farmers, governments, and industries with precise weather prediction tools. By forecasting extreme weather patterns and helping industries adapt, climate AI is protecting lives and ensuring global food security. 5. Path AI, revolutionizing cancer diagnosis. When it comes to saving lives, Path AI is changing the face of medicine. Path AI's smart imaging tools analyze biopsy samples with incredible accuracy, helping doctors detect cancer earlier and improving treatment outcomes worldwide. But these aren't the only ones. AI startups across the globe are solving real-world problems with bold ideas. Augmenta, revolutionizing agriculture with AI-powered crop management systems. Wabi, advancing self-driving truck technology to improve logistics. Cordy, assisting emergency responders with real-time AI voice analysis to detect heart attacks faster. Zest AI, bringing fairness to lending by reducing bias in credit approvals. AI startups are changing the way we live, and the impact is closer than you think. From smarter healthcare to climate protection, from personalized learning to automated transportation, these AI innovations are quietly transforming your world. But this is only the beginning. As AI evolves, we may soon see startups creating virtual doctors, AI-powered legal advisors, and even digital architects that design entire cities. The AI revolution is unfolding faster than we can predict, and these startups are driving it forward. Which AI startup do you think will have the biggest impact? Are you excited or worried about an AI-powered future? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest insights on game-changing tech.